Well, I'm on the river, and it is just amazing what you see. No political speech, no lecture about God, just admiring His handiwork. You see the log tied up right there? That's a cedar, probably a deadhead. And then there's another one right there. That's where someone's come in here and found them and brought them up and tied them and letting them dry until they get a chance to come in and float them out. Beautiful place. Looks like the fish ought to be biting right there. We'll just have to see.